Leadership second guesses whether teams ground decisions in financial realities when projecting budgets crash. Short-term goals displace more considered strategy without fluid communication, tying activity to spending impacts. Stovepipe teams move detached, marketing overlooks budget positions overpromising, sales commits beyond resourcing, while operations can't align productivity spend to actual cash availability. The resulting friction erodes culture. Bridge functional literacy gaps through unified financial acumen and vocabulary. Our Finance for Non-Finance Managers journey builds integrated understanding navigating planning, costs, and investment returns through immersive real company examples. Working through scenarios as cross-functional peers, graduates become fluent discussing financial levers and articulate issues using precise terminology. Imagine optimized decisions guided by financial impact considerations. From strategy through execution, organizations will benefit from continuity between goals, investments, and returns when teams share accountability through common financial fluency enterprise-wide. Reduce discretionary overages, retain customers through sustained delivery capabilities. Function leads gain versatility, finally grasping interdependencies to pull business levers intentionally, and demonstrate leadership through fiscally responsible initiatives. Join us to experience this future now. Enroll in Finance for Non-Finance Managers and empower teams to contextualize decisions through financial outcomes for unified action.